Hey people, this here is a garrison 6-pin padlock. It's a real bitch pick. I'm just starting out and shit. So anyway, there's the 6-pin key. You can see it works. And I single pin picked it half a dozen times. Took me quite a while to single pin pick it, and then I figured, why not just try my shackle bumping technique? And what do you know? Check that shit out. Boom. And that's a 6-pinner, and I believe it's what's causing it to work is the weight of the pick and the vibration when you bump the shackle, because as you can see, it's just a short hook, sort of diamond tip. But, yeah, it took me all day to pick it, and then just went like this. I said, what the hell? See what'll happen. There it is. It's nuts, eh? So I suggest, add that to your technique. You never know when it might work. Peace, y'all. Have fun. And as always, don't break the law. Peace.